Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Lego once honored employees with 25 years of service by gifting them a 14 karat gold 2 into 4 brick identical in size to regular pieces. Gender neutral toilets are dirtiest of all. Drug resistant bacteria found on toilet seats, floors, and door handles. Adding used coffee grounds or tea leaves to cakes sustainably enhances their nutritional value and shelf life. Aquarium in Japan uses human photos to cheer up lonely fish after it fell into depression with no visitors. This is the Chinese traditional sport known as board shoe racing. UAE builds world's largest single-site solar plant that will power 200,000 homes around the clock. If you are craving cookies, your body needs some glucose, so eat a baked pear or apple. Japan makes world's first toilet paper from used diapers due to low birth rates and less diaper demand. World population reaches record 8.9 billion on New Year, grows 71 million in 2024 with 4 kids born every second. If you are craving a burger, your body needs some iron, so eat some spinach. Two men met for the first time at a wedding and looked just like each other and were wearing the same outfit. When they protect you in front of others but correct you in private, they respect you. Studies suggest people who plan and write down their goals are 42% more likely to achieve success. People in US can now adopt two friendly pups who fail police training but make the best pets. A school in Karnataka has turned its playground into a paddy field, giving students real-life agriculture lessons that make learning exciting and practical. An Australian man built a special tricycle so his disabled wife could enjoy bike rides with him. Do not lower your standards to keep people around you. Make them meet you at your level. Self-respect is power. A study by Toxic Sling found that all Indian salt and sugar brands, whether big or small, packaged or unpackaged, contain microplastics. At just 14 years old, Rimia Jose created an innovative pedal-powered washing machine that works without electricity. If someone notices your silence and asks what's wrong, they truly care. The stars shine due to nuclear fusion. This is a nuclear reaction where two or more atomic nuclei collide at very high speed and fuse to form a new type of atom. This causes the release of an enormous amount of energy in the form of light. Soccer players run 7 miles each game on average compared to 2.55 miles for basketball and 1.25 miles for American football. Vaccine is for providing immunity against a particular disease, while as medicine is for already prevented against a disease affecting the being. Panasonic Software created the Secret Writer Society computer program to teach children to write due to a bug in the code. Instead of reading back what you wrote, double-clicking read would read back the swear filter. Nostradamus was a French astrologer and predictor. He predicted the future events similar like Sri Potuluri Veera Brahmendra Swamy, Indian predictor. Willie Mays wore his cap one size larger so it would not fly off while running, and he also let it slip to the ground to make catches appear more difficult. He stated that his flashy style of play began early in his career when he felt it was his responsibility to give fans something to talk about after each game. Mesozoic era, it is the age of dinosaurs and lasted almost 180 million years from approximately 250 to 65 million years ago. This era includes three well-known periods called the Triassic, Jurassic and Cretaceous periods. Most coffee creamers are primarily composed of water, oil and sugar. There is no milk or cream present. Some brands contain casein, a milk-derived ingredient. Faith and prayer both are invisible, but they make impossible things possible. Banana peel prevents red blood cells from breaking down in the body, but raw green banana peel is more beneficial than yellow peels in it. Salmon sushi is not traditionally eaten by Japanese people, and it was invented in the 1980s by Norwegians in order to sell more of their overabundance of salmon. There are female vampires in Jewish mythology known as Esters. They feed on men, women, and children, can shapeshift into many forms, and can walk on holy ground. Salvia divinorum is a plant in the mint family that produces the most potent naturally occurring hallucinogen by mass. The most intense peak is reached in roughly a minute and lasts for 1 to 5 minutes. Users usually return to a sense of the everyday and familiar than to baseline after about 15 to 20 minutes. Places in India that don't celebrate Holi. Rudraprayag, Uttarakhand. Durgapur, Jharkhand. Tamil Nadu. Ramsan village, Gujarat. Thanks for watching.